Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Krithi, with me Krithi. And in this week we will be exploring all the computing services, right? To give a recap about the two compute service we have seen, that is one is compute engine, which means to create and manage VMs. I said virtual trucks, right? And the next yesterday we explored that is Kubernetes engine. Kubernetes engine is like managing and orchestrating our containers. To explain it in easy way, I have given you an example of manager of that little robots containers, I said, right? That is about the two service, and we are getting into our third service, that is app engine. I know most of you have come across the term that is app engine. So as like every time I'll say you that blah 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 definition, right? I can say you that App Engine is a fully managed platform managed by Google, which helps you to create, manage, deploy, and even to scale your web applications without worrying about the infrastructure. So here you might get your question, that is, hey Kritika, you have said that it will help me to create, manage, deploy, and scale. And what is my task here? In developing a web applications. So here comes a two responsibility for us. Okay, the two responsibilities are focusing on code. I can just focus on code, and next thing is to deliver a great user experience. I can focus on delivering a great user experience. These are the two responsibility of mine. Even I say it in somewhat a technical form, it's very hard for you to remind while comparing with other services. So let me make it more easier with a scenario based explanation. Uh, just imagine, I'm a great cook. Yes, I said to imagine. I'm a great cook and I know to cook a best cake in this world. I said this is just an imagination. I can cook a best cake in this world. So I have that recipe of how to cook it. I wish to deliver to this world, but I face two problems here. That is, I don't have that kitchen to kitchen or a place to bake my cakes, and the second thing is, I don't have a way to deliver it to the world, which means I don't have any stores and all. This is the two problems. So God is sending me a gift box, right? This gift box has two things. One is a great magical oven, and the second thing is online delivery service. This is two things which has been kept in that box. So this great oven takes my cake recipe, which means I'll feed that recipe, code of my recipe, and that oven will make this cakes. This oven will scale up when the orders are high and scale down when the orders are low. And you might ask me another one questions. What happens, Kritika? I said that I'm going to send just a recipe or a code to bake that cake. What happens when you want to add one more ingredient, or you want to change the process, or you want to create another one process, or you want to add another one flavor of cake? What is going to happen? The thing is, my shop is not stopped. That's the truth. There is no downtime, so it will start delivering the cakes and add my changes without the downtime. That's about my great magical oven. I said that I want to deliver to the world, right? But here God has given me to deliver to this world through online, right? So through online it is available and accessible to everyone. If anyone wish to buy my cake or visit my shop, they can come online and just visit it. That's it. The problem has been solved. I just know to cook just know the recipe to cook and how to deliver, which means the presentation of my cake. Right? But I haven't worried about managing my kitchen, or focusing on other things, or focusing on the delivering way of people. Right? That's the problem is solved. So I can say that this concept will relate a lot with App Engine. As I said that it is a fully managed one. Yes, that magical box helped me to fully manage using that oven and the great online delivery service. Right? It helped me to create, manage, and scale up and down, and also the most important thing, that is to deploy, right? Which means to deliver, okay, to the world. That's it. This is the concept of app engine. Whenever people will ask you what is app engine, so the simple definition for it is, it helps me to develop my apps or web applications, right? So I need not to worry about the infrastructure. I don't have that pressure of maintaining the infrastructure or other coding parts. I just want to focus on my code, right? And I can focus only on the code and the way to deliver to the people. That's what app engine is. It is one of the compute service. Hope you got it. What is app engine? How This is the best explanation I can say. A magic box with a great oven and magical delivery service is a best scenario based explanation for app engine. Hope you got it. Thank you. Let's meet on another video. This is Tech with Krithi, with me, Krithi.